What's up, guys? Today it's a pretty fun day. Early morning on here on Sunday. Me and my friend Noah, we're gonna be headed to a car show here in Glen Burnie, Maryland. Should be a pretty cool time. Looking to meet up with a couple of my friends that I've made there. Just got the car washed, about to dry it off. Noah and I are on our way to Rides and Coffee. We already took the first wrong turn. Should get there in about 15 minutes. He's got his BRZ looking nice, ready to show it off. Should be a pretty fun time. Lots of good cars. Hopefully we don't get rained out. It's looking a little gloomy ahead of us, but we'll see what happens. I've had this BMW for about 4 months now. I think I need to clean my fuel injectors. When we were at the car wash, I was having a really rough idle, and definitely need to get that checked out.
Oh, that is beautiful.
You can make the motherfucker loud if you want. You can make them like